If you like a tidy workspace, you'll love using stacks to group similar images. In this video, you'll learn how to put this powerful feature to use. You'll also learn how to use the auto stack feature to stack images based on their capture time. So I'm in the library module in the grid view. I've selected one image here on the left. Now I have a group of similar images. I'm going to hold down the Shift key and click. Now they're all selected. I want to stack these all into one stack. I can do that either by selecting Photo, Stacking, Group into Stack, or use the keyboard command, Command-G or Control-G. The other way to do it is just use the right click on my mouse, select Stacking, Group into Stack. Now I have 5 images all stacked in one stack. So I'll expand it by clicking on it. And now if I right-click on that number, I have my contextual menu that gives me other options. Now I can unstack the whole stack here. I can remove a selection from the stack by selecting Remove from Stack. If I want to split the stack, if I have a very large stack and I want to make, let's say, 2 or 3 stacks, I just make a selection of images and then select Split Stack, and it'll make, in this case, 2 stacks. If I want to collapse the stack, I select Collapse Stack, but I've showed you an easier way just by clicking on that number in the upper left-hand corner. And also collapsing stacks is easier just to do it straight from the thumbnail. You can also move to the top of a stack, move up in a stack, and move down in a stack. But let me show you an easier way to do that. If you just make a selection with a expanded stack and click and drag, you can place that selection anywhere you want within the stack, like I'm doing now. Okay, so now I want to show you what I think is one of the coolest features, is the ability to automatically create a stack based on capture time. So in order to do that, I need to select Photo and then Stacking, Auto Stack by Capture Time. Now what I'm going to do here, I've taken a sequence of images that I'm going to turn into an animation. I know that I've taken that sequence very rapidly between shots, and the whole time, the whole sequence is less than 21 seconds. It's actually about 21 seconds. Let me just see here. I'm grabbing this timeline, and you can see how I change the amount of time between stacks by sliding it to the left or right. And I can see right now that it's going to create 2 stacks, and I'm pretty sure that's going to work. 30 seconds. It took about 30 seconds to do the whole sequence. And I want to get that whole 30-second sequence into one stack. So let's just see what happens when I hit stack now. It should automatically, yes, now this sequence, 1 of 25. Let me just show you how that works. I'm going to collapse it. I'll collapse this one now. So we only have 2 stacks representing 30 images. But this stack, I'm going to open it up and just see if that's got the sequence I was looking for. Yes. So now it'll be very easy for me just to take those 25 images and make a sequence out of them. Instead of using up all that space in the preview window, they're all there in one stack. If I just collapse the stack by clicking on it, there you go. Stacking, another great feature of Lightroom.